Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about Samsung Galaxy Ao3s. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Samsung is known for its mid-rangers and premium flagships, but they also offer phones on the lower end of the spectrum. This is the entry-level Galaxy Ao3s. At this budget, is it still able to provide a decent smartphone experience? Design and build. As you might expect at this price, the Galaxy Ao3s doesn't come with many bells and whistles, but still, there is a big battery and 3 cameras on the back. The phone is made from a matte plastic body, and the back features an interesting grippy texture. It isn't too light because of the large battery pack. And of course, there's no protection here, but it's all solid and straightforward. Display. On the front is a 6.5-inch LCD with a 720p resolution and a droplet-shaped notch for the selfie cam. This screen is nothing special. The pixel density isn't too high at 270 ppi, and you get a standard 60Hz refresh rate. Colors aren't too accurate, even rather low, and you don't get options to tweak them. And max brightness is okay at around 490 ppi. At least you do get a good contrast here for an LCD. Battery and charging. It packs a 5000 mAh power pack, and it was able to score a 122-hour endurance rating in our proprietary tests. The charging speed is really slow though, with the bundled 7.5-watt charger. We were only able to charge from 0 to 15% in half an hour. And it's the same speed even with a faster charger. Storage and fingerprint. You can get the Galaxy Ao3s with either 32 or 64 gigs of storage on board, and it's expandable through microSD. You can wake up and unlock the Ao3s using the side-mounted fingerprint reader, which doubles as the power button. It's really fast and accurate. Android 11 and UI. Another plus of the Galaxy Ao3s is that you get Android 11 and Samsung software. The interface is One UI 3.1 Core, which, as the name suggests, provides the essentials of the One UI experience. But it is missing some of the features you'd get on more expensive Samsung phones. These include Knox Bixby, the game launcher, and music share, among others. But still, you get handy features provided by Android 11, like notification history and advanced media controls. There is an Edge panel, handy for storing your shortcuts F, and there are Samsung's proprietary apps like the Dialer, the Gallery, and the Internet Browser. Performance. Unfortunately, the UI experience isn't fast or fluid because of this phone's budget-level chipset. It's a MediaTek Helio P35. They also have a 12-nanometer process. In benchmarks, the Ao3s sits at the bottom of both the CPU and GPU charts, even in the budget category. Playing games is a chore, and the phone feels sluggish, even when you're scrolling around or doing your daily tasks. Camera. Moving on to the cameras. On the back, the Galaxy A has a 13-megapixel main camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a depth sensor. In good lighting, photos from the main camera are likable with accurate colors, good contrast, and wide dynamic range. The level of detail isn't anything to write home about, though is enough at this price, but fine details are smeared. The depth sensor is meant to help with portrait shots. These come out decent. Again, the detail level isn't great, but there is good subject separation and nice colors and contrast. Close-up shots from the macro camera are pretty good. The detail level was okay, considering the resolution, and the noise levels are tolerable. Low-light photos from the main camera are dark, with blown highlights. There is no night mode, but if you turn on Auto HDR, you will get an improvement in the dynamic range. It introduces more noise though. You can take selfies with the Galaxy Ao3s's 5-megapixel front-facing camera. You get good colors and contrast, but a very poor level of detail. Videos can be recorded with the main camera and up to 1080p resolution at 30 FPS. These clips aren't good. They have washed-out colors and a mediocre amount of detail. There's no stabilization available here either, so we're not expecting a lot here. But you still get good battery life and a large screen, a modern UI, and an okay camera experience. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.